Kasi yung iba, posisyon, pag presidente, masaya, may power, ganun. Duterte is different. When he looks at the situation of the position, he sees the problem that he has to solve with regards to that position. So he's seeing the problem here is drugs. Drugs, number one. Sa Davao, yan ang pinaka-number one na huwag mong gawin. Drugs and criminality and corruption. Yan mga kapatid. When the Bible says, when the righteous reigneth, the people rejoice. Kaya alam ko, masaya ang puso ninyo na narito siya at kinoconsider siya na maging isa sa mamaya itatanghal na isa sa mga kandidato maging presidente para makapili naman ang Pilipinas ng karapat-dapat.